नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Rejuvenating text 21, text 22 and text 23 of chapter 2, the activities of Maharaj Agnidhra of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 21. Agnidhra sutaste matura nugraha dautpatti ke naiva samhanana balopetaha पित्रा विभक्ता आत्मतुल्य नामानि यथाभागम जम्बूद्वीप वर्षाणि बुभुजुः. Because of drinking the breast milk of their mother, the 9 sons of Agnidhra naturally had strong, well-built bodies. Their father gave them each a kingdom in a different part of Jambudvip. The kingdoms were named according to the names of the sons. Thus the sons of Agnidhra ruled the kingdom they received from their father. The Acharyas specifically mentioned that in this verse, the words Matuha, Anugrataha, by the mercy of their mother, refer to the breast milk of their mother. In India, it is a common belief that if a baby is fed his mother's milk for at least 6 months, his body will be very strong. Besides that, it is mentioned herein that all the sons of Agnidhra were endowed with the nature of their mother. Bhagavad Gita 1.40 also declares, Strisu Dustasu Varsneya Jayate Varnasankaraha. When women are polluted, Varnasankara, unqualified children are generated, and when the Varnasankara population increases, the entire world becomes hellish. Therefore, according to Manu Samhita, a woman needs a great deal of protection in order to remain pure and chaste so that her children can be fully engaged for the benefit of human society. Text 22. Agnidhro Raja Truptaha Kamana Mapsara Mevanu Dinam Dhimanya Manasa Tasyaha Salokatam Shruti Bhirava Rundha Yatra Pitaro Madayante. After Purvachitti's departure, King Agnidhra, his lusty desires not at all satisfied, always thought of her. Therefore, in accordance with the Vedic injunctions, the king after his death was promoted to the same planet as his celestial wife. That planet, which is called Pitrulok, is where the Pitas, the forefathers, live in great delight. If one always thinks of something, he certainly gets a related body after death. Maharaj Agnidhra was always thinking of Pitrulok, the place where his wife had returned. Therefore, after his death, he achieved that same planet, probably to live with her again. Bhagavad Gita also says, Yam Yam Vapi Smaran Bhavam Tyajati Ante Kalevaram Tama Tama Ivaiti Kaunteya Sada Tadabhava Bhavitaha. Whatever state of being one remembers when he quits his body, that state he will attain without fail. Bhagavad Gita 8.6. We can naturally conclude that if we think always of Krishna or become fully Krishna's conscious, we can be promoted to the planet of Golok Vrindavan where Krishna eternally lives. Text 23. Samparete Pitari Nava Bhrataro Meru Duhitrura Meru Devim Pratirupa Mugra Damastrim Latam Ramyam Shamam Narim Bhadram Deva Viti Miti Samdhnya Navo Davahan. After the departure of their father, the 9 brothers married the 9 daughters of Meru named Meru Devi, Pratirupa, Ugra Damastri, Lata Ramya, Shama, Nari Bhadra and Devaviti. Thus end the Bhakti Vedanta purports of the 5th canto, 2nd chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled The Activities of Maharaj Agnidhra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.